Hi, let's go. Unemhleli mdaka kakade.
Abakholwa ukuthi siyazi sebevele bethumu
Guys, I'm sure this is one weird angle, but we have to talk. I broke my iPad. On my iPad, I broke my tripod. Glenda Sasienza a cap. And now I'm not tripod. Why is Dura the tripods? Because what do you mean I'm paying 300 rands for la tripod ben now? Kwashin be 19 rand. Because and the worst part and Anando Zindo that I want from Shein. So I might have to buy Lena 800. And as you said, so banding I recorded was because there was nothing much to vlog. But I'm back to vlogging. I want to take myself out tomorrow. Guys, go as a band here. So I want to take myself out tomorrow and just go have a solo date. And then, yeah, man, I think I'll do my maintenance in this. Hey, I have 3 people. I have 3 people. Abane birthdays. Apaku June that I have to gift. So I might have to go look for the gifts with you guys. And yeah, I think that's about it. Did I introduce this vlog? Hey, but hey friends, welcome to my channel. And if you're new here, please stay because this is maskandi. Do you like, you comment, you subscribe, and you share it. Hi friends, let's go to Coffee and Co for breakfast. Hi guys, welcome to the very last day of this vlog. Today we're going to the mall to go check out some few winter items. I know a galaxy and I could take you for a ride. I had a premonition and we fell into a rhythm. izinto endizithengileyo. Ezinye maybe andizithanga namhlanje, but they are new in the sense that ndizinxibe kayi-1 yabo and akhanizibone. Hello, sorry about that, but I want to show you guys, as I was still saying, and then anazibone. This may be the last bit of the vlog, but I just want to slot for my nails. Oh, my size. But if my nails slot for my nails, mhlawumbi ndingayi-extenda le vlog, but late I'm uploading next week. During the week. Ayizukwazi uphinde iye kwenye weekend vlog. It's been long overdue from Qala enye futhi now. So yeah, we'll wait up on Uaza some routine. I also need to do my hair. Oh, Hasana guys, I don't know my vlog. But in the same breath, like in this installer, why do I bother them to crack and stuff? And yeah, then so I decided because I could just wash my hair. Installation and as khazela knows my slope. Installation plays well. And then and yes guys, I'll think about it. I don't think it's all good. So Vasa get fresh and let's get into this cleaning touch. So the first item is this black formal pant from Mr. Price or something. This black formal pant from Mr. Price. Like it's very long. It reaches my bottom. Funa Dani. Okay, my size. I think you make this is my everyday excuse. You make sana so footing. Okay guys, formal pants is very important. As a result, I do have a pair from H&M that I also recently bought, but I finally asked Mr. Price. Let me show you guys. Once I finally asked Mr. Price. But yeah, it's also a formal thingy. I got this basic t-shirt. I can never get enough of these. I need to get more. Even with this basic t-shirt. I lost the price tag getting it when but it fits. I love it so much. And then from Mr. Price, I love them so much. I love them. Business vlog for maskandi first. But yeah, Zinjina, they have this thing up. Says for the yeah, but happy. But yeah, they have this thing here. Love them loads. Kisses. Very long, awesome t-shirt from Sportson. Guys, and as keepers are kind. Like, oh, I got this from Sportson. Guys, I wanna buy a sweater Adidas, right? In any striped up, it's black. My problem with it is 900 rand, ne? Good and well. But bafazi, why is umbacho ublack wakhona akafani nalona? Akafani nalona ublack wakhona. Ublack wakhona usabo charcoal, like into ngathi machallenge. And I'm sorry, I'm not spending imali engako for into eno black ongaqondakaliyo kanje. Guys, I'm sorry, I'm not doing it. Let's move on to the next item. And now I sweater and got this black sweater from Sportson. I got this black sweater from Sportson. Now I'm got it bet. I do have a grey one and I need to get Tala. Yes, but and bazovakala and then bandicharge canceling noise yabo. Unfortunately, because the children record. Okay, that's how. So I was saying, but then I sweater a grey Asian and that I love. It's still in good condition. No one need 2 years back. Yeah. So I only have 2 sweatpants and so the black and the grey one. I might get another one, and he hasn't sold one. And then another item is this jump from H&M. Oh, it's a tiny. I can't. This one. And now it's in a shade. So I got this one. Love it. It fits perfect. Because I tried taking you guys with so I also got these azibiwe glasses amgloms ezimhlophe. Abantu bathenga secret socks and kwakwimntu abantu bathenga secret socks and then banxibe glasses zam. So I also got those, and then last but not least I have grey sweater lebendincima namhlanje ngoba ndiyothenga ezinye izinto. I have this grey sweater from Mr. Price. Kuyona ndiyithenga nje ndifuna ubona uzawuba nabononjoni. It was very cheap. I think 1.8. It's this grey sweater. And ndizayidibaniisa nala mzansi ndithi nayo wase-H&M because this grey is the same shade as la mzansi. So I'm good to go. I also want, guys, I want a jacket eziphayo ingabiwa leather, but andiyiboni ndawo. Like, I've been looking for it. I think ngizawuncama the question. I don't know. I do have a sweater emnyama yase-H&M, you guys know it. I do have ezazinto kind of hole and then can I ends up a jacket, a burgundy, and a coat, a grey. So for winter, I just need a long sleeve on a low. Got I enjoyed. I do have a long sleeve, but I just want new ones. I want new ones. But for now, I'm done with shopping. I do have lots of clothes. I'll use what I have. So let me mandate ganj. If this is the end of the vlog, then bye-bye. I'll see you on the next one. But if it's not, must be again. Bye first. Let's love you.